Hold on to the little things. Don't ever let them go. 'Cause it's the little things that always tend to grow. In a moment, everything changes. In an instant, it all passes by. Don't blink, you don't wanna miss it. 'Cause little moments, they make a lifetime. It's little moments.
Right outside your door, there's a lifetime of memories waiting to be made.
Are you ready, Dad?
At Trex, we see it too. Visit Trex.com.